Okay, so I got a pack of these dog whistles, and they come in different colors. This is the blue, and I was curious if these are real dog whistles. And I can blow it, and I can hear it. It's very loud, and my ears are ringing a little bit, but I can hear it. When I ran it through a spectrograph, I saw it not only was there the what I consider to be a high tone, there was also harmonics for an ultrasonic frequency that I can't hear around 19 kilohertz. So there is an ultrasonic frequency that pairs with this. But if you're outdoors, that does not travel as far. The tone that we hear will travel about 5 times further than the ultra frequency tone.